100 sentences. You will use them every day. Let's go! I will go to work tomorrow. I will wake up early. I will eat breakfast. I will drink coffee. I will brush my teeth. I will take a shower. I will get dressed. I will drive to work. I will work hard today. I will finish my tasks. I will send an email. I will make a phone call. I will attend the meeting. I will meet my boss. I will help my coworker. I will complete the project. I will submit the report. I will check my emails. I will eat lunch at 1 p.m. I will drink water. I will take a break. I will go to the store. I will buy groceries. I will cook dinner. I will eat dinner with my family. I will wash the dishes. I will clean the house. I will watch TV. I will read a book. I will listen to music. I will call my mother. I will text my friend. I will visit my parents. I will check my balance. I will buy new clothes. I will go shopping. I will try on this shirt. I will buy a gift for my friend. I will return this item. I will ask for a refund. I will call you later. I will send you a message. I will reply to your email. I will let you know. I will tell you the news. I will share this with you. I will ask for help. I will help you. I will wait for you. I will meet you at 5 p.m. I will do my best. I will try again. I will not give up. I will be on time. I will be patient. I will be honest. I will be kind. I will be happy. I will be successful. I will never stop learning. Save this video. Practice every day. I will spend time with my family. I will help my children. I will play with my kids. I will exercise at the gym. I will go for a walk. I will run in the park. I will drink more water. I will eat healthy food. I will sleep early tonight. I will take my medicine. I will go to the doctor. I will relax this weekend. I will meet my friends. I will have coffee with a friend. I will go to the cinema. I will watch a movie. I will travel next month. I will go to the airport. I will take a taxi. I will book a hotel. I will pack my bag. I will visit a new city. I will take photos. I will try new food. I will buy souvenirs. I will enjoy my vacation. I will learn something new. I will practice English. I will speak English every day. I will watch English videos. I will listen to English podcasts. I will read English books. I will write in English. I will improve my vocabulary. I will think in English. I will save money. I will pay my bills. I will go to the bank. I will withdraw some cash.